Hello, I'm Danny, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. Today, I'd like to discuss requirement number 3 of the HCBS Final Rule, right to privacy. This requirement ensures that the people you support have the right to privacy, dignity, and respect. In other words, they must have the same right to privacy as you or me. Let's see how a motivational speaker, feminine hygiene products, and a bowl of green M&Ms help Venus teach the importance of privacy.
All right.
Excuse me, do you work here?
Is it really work if you love what you do?
What? Well, yes. I have an emergency. I just entered my dressing room and there were no green M&Ms. My contract clearly states that I get only green M&Ms in my dressing room.
My bad. I'm so sorry. Let's get that fixed right away. Oh, there's green. Okay, all right.
Hey, Venus. Why are you removing the green M&Ms?
It's a long story.
I also dislike the green ones.
Shouldn't you be at the seminar?
Yes, I should, but Maya needs you. She's in the bathroom and won't come out.
Is she okay?
I said something that hurt her feelings.
What did you say?
I don't know, but when people refuse to talk to me, that usually means I said something that hurt their feelings.
I'll handle it. Whoa, brother. Where are you going?
To help Maya?
No, dude. Go back to the seminar. I'll take it from here. Hey, are you, okay?
No, I am annoyed. I started my period, left my tampons at home, I'm missing the seminar, and the machine is empty!
My bad. I'm so sorry. But don't worry, I got you.
If I hurt her feelings, I should make sure she's okay.
No, dude, you should give her some privacy. Would you want me to tell her what happened to you last week?
Let's never speak of that again.
Right on. You good?
Yes, I'm good. Thank you. I just want to get back to the seminar.
You know, Dexter was very concerned about you. He's a good friend.
You didn't tell him, did you?
No way. I, told him to respect your privacy.
Thanks, Venus.
The rocky road of success could be rich, and if you listen to my words, you will learn to be the cherry on top.
Venus protected Maya's right to privacy in a very tricky situation, and in the process, taught Dexter about the importance of it. Everyone has a right to privacy, dignity, and respect. Remember, big, impactful change can start with small conversations. As a service provider, being person-centered means listening to the people you support and acting upon what you hear.